funds. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money notifications from work you didn't physically do overnight. No office, no boss, no complicated skills. Just smart use of AI. Sounds fake, right? But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners with zero tech background are using AI tools to create real online income streams step by step. This is not a get-rich-quick fantasy, and it's not something only programmers can do. This is practical, beginner-friendly, and something you can start learning today. So don't blink, don't skip, because one small idea you hear in this video could completely change how you think about making money online. Before we go deeper, if you're someone who wants to learn simple, realistic ways to earn online using AI, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. This really helps the channel grow and allows AI Income Hub to keep bringing you step-by-step guides like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, because each one builds on the last and makes things even easier. Now, let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you searched how to make money online and felt overwhelmed? Too many tools, too many gurus, too many confusing words. The problem is not that opportunities don't exist. The problem is nobody explains them in a simple human way. So in this video, I'm going to break everything down like I'm explaining it to a friend sitting next to me. No jargon, no hype, just clarity. First, let's understand one important truth. AI itself doesn't magically give you money. AI is a tool. The money comes when you use AI to solve small problems for people or businesses. And the best part is, beginners actually have an advantage here, because you don't overcomplicate things. You can start simple and scale later. One of the easiest ways beginners are making money with AI is by offering AI-assisted services. Notice I didn't say AI expert services. You don't need to build AI, you just need to use existing tools smartly. For example, businesses need content every single day. Social media captions, product descriptions, emails, blog posts, video scripts. Most business owners don't have time for that. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT come in. You can use AI to generate high-quality content in minutes, then offer that as a service. Let me walk you through how this looks in real life. Imagine a small online store selling candles. Needs Instagram captions, email newsletters, and product descriptions. You use AI to create these, edit them slightly to sound human and brand-friendly, and deliver them. The business owner is happy because they save time. You're happy because you get paid. And AI does the heavy lifting in the background. Now you might be thinking, but won't everyone do this? Here's the secret most people miss. Tools don't make money. Execution does. Moose. People watch videos like this and never take action. You, on the other hand, are still watching, and that already puts you ahead. Another beginner-friendly way to make money with AI is freelancing, but with a twist. Traditional freelancing requires skills like graphic design or copywriting. AI freelancing allows you to start without years of experience. For example, AI image tools can help you create social media posts, thumbnails, or simple ad visuals. AI writing tools can help you write resumes, cover letters, or LinkedIn bios. People are paying good money for these services because they want results, not tools. Think about resumes for a moment. Job seekers struggle to write good resumes. You can use AI to generate customized resumes and charge per project. It doesn't take hours, it takes minutes. Yet for the client, the value is huge because it could help them land a job. Done. Another powerful method beginners love is AI-powered content creation. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to talk, you don't even have to be creative in the traditional sense. People are creating YouTube videos, TikToks, and Instagram Reels using AI scripts, AI voices, and AI visuals. Channels are growing fast because content demand is insane right now. This is exactly why AI Income Hub exists, to show you how AI can be used smartly, not confusingly. Content is everywhere, and AI makes it scalable. One good idea can turn into 10 videos in an hour. And once content is online, it can keep earning for months or even years. Another method that works beautifully for beginners is AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Instead of manually writing reviews or sales pages, AI helps you generate content faster. You promote products or services, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. AI can help you write product comparisons, email sequences, social media posts, and even video scripts. Let me slow this down for a second because this is important. You don't need to sell your own product. You borrow someone else's product, use AI to explain it better, and earn a percentage. This is beginner gold. Now let's talk mindset, because this is where most people fail. They try one thing for a week, don't see results, and quit. AI is fast, but income still requires consistency. The people winning with AI are not the smartest. They are the most consistent. They show up, test, improve, and repeat. Another simple but underrated way to earn with AI is offering automation help. Many small businesses don't know how to connect tools. For example, setting up automatic email replies, scheduling content, or creating chatbots for websites. You don't need to code. AI and no-code tools do it for you. Businesses pay because automation saves them time and money. Let me be very clear here. You don't need to master everything. Pick one path, just one. Content services, freelancing, automation, or affiliate marketing. Learn it, practice it, improve it. That's how beginners turn AI into income. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure you're still subscribed, because the next videos on AI Income Hub will go deeper into each method step by step, with real examples and tool walkthroughs. Now, here's something most videos won't tell you. AI Income works best when you build trust. Whether it's clients, viewers, or customers, people need to trust you. That's why storytelling matters. That's why consistency matters. And that's why you should focus on helping first, selling second, tax. As we get closer to the end, I want you to imagine where you could be 6 months from now, if you start today. Not perfect, not expert, just consistent. Even small wins add up. One client becomes 3, one video becomes 10, one idea becomes a system. If this video helped you see AI in a clearer, simpler way, I want you to do 2 things. First, comment below and tell me which AI income method you're most interested in starting. I read the comments, and your response might shape the next video. Second, share this video with someone who's tired of confusing online money advice and needs something practical and real. Thank you for watching, for trusting AI Income Hub, and for investing your time in learning something new today. Stay curious, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.